welcome to Cooking with the Salsa Queen, and today we're gonna be making some Mexican hot dogs. So today I'm choosing to use some Smart Dogs, plant-based. For all of my friends out there that are vegan, we're gonna use this. Okay, let's throw these doggies on the grill. Little bit of oil, and then we're gonna put the hot dogs just right there so they can get all nice and crispy, just how I like them. Okay, and the doggies are ready. So we're gonna have two versions. One of them, we're gonna use the buns, the traditional way, right? And then the other one, okay, where are you? Where are you? Oh, right here. Found it. And we're gonna do the healthier way. So we're gonna use some lettuce as buns for the other dogs. So right here, we're gonna put our hot dogs right there. And this is the fun part. So instead of putting ketchup and mayonnaise and all that fun stuff, we're gonna go a little bit spicy. So we're gonna put some of our pico de gallo. Make sure not to put the juice so it won't get all soggy. So you wanna put some pico. You wanna put some of the red chili. And let's put some creamy jalapeno on this one. Oh yes. And we're gonna put some cheese over. Oh, I'm so hungry now. What about this one? What if we put some mango pineapple in that one? Oh yeah. Mango pineapple on our hot dogs. And we're gonna put some of that tomatillo. And this is all the fun you can have with your kids. Just play around, mix and match. You know, all of your friends can enjoy this. Vegan, no vegan. And let's see, for this one, let's put some of the red chili. Oh yeah. If you like spicy, put some of the red chili and some of the queso chipotle together. So good. Oops. And then we're gonna put a little bit of pico de gallo, some cheese. And on this one, what haven't we used yet? I think let's use the two creamies. So we're gonna put the queso chipotle and the creamy jalapeno. Some pico on top. Some cheese. And so easy and so fast, you have some awesome Mexican hot dogs. So you can take to your parties and your kids can help you make this delicious dish. And for these spicy hot dogs, I wanna make an awesome Virgin Mojito. So you need Sprite and lemonade, and you can use any Sprite that you want or any lemonade that you want. You can make it at home or you can buy it. You're gonna put, you're gonna put the mint first. You wanna put some mint in there. I love mint, and my kids love these drinks. They're so refreshing. So you wanna smash up the mint a little bit, just we can have that amazing flavor of the mint. Right there. We're gonna put some Sprite. Let's put some ice. Oh yes, oh I can smell it. And then we're gonna put some lemonade. A little piece of mint right there so it can look all nice and pretty. And some lemon. I don't know what I put my lemon right. And you want to squish a little bit of lemon juice just to give it that freshness taste. Yes, just like that, you got yourself an amazing Virgin Mojito. Minty. And what better than have our kids come and try these hot dogs. Hey kids, come on down. You guys want to try these hot dogs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Ooh, right there. And they're kind of messy, but that's the fun part about it. Try it.
It smells good.
It smells good? Yes. And with a mojito, right? And maybe some napkins, you're done and set for the summer. Thank you for cooking with the Salsa Queen. Ay, ay, ay.